Surface area using nets. Remember to hit pause, do the problem, and then hit play to see if you did it right. So, first of all, you have to remember finding the area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 times the base times the height. Okay? So, when we take a look at this triangle right here, the area is going to equal 1/2 times the base, which in this case is 3, times the height of 4. When you multiply all that out, you get 6. So this triangle has an area of 6. This one would be 6. This one would be 6. And that one would be 6. The area of a square, area is equal to S squared. It is the side length squared, which means, in this problem, 3 times 3 is 9. So I'm going to have 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 9. That would be the surface area of my net, the area of all of the faces added together. So that's 24 plus 9 is 33. So the answer is 33. Let's check another problem. Well, that is goofy because Mr. Altabelli started on the last slide instead of the first slide. So here we are on the first slide. Remember, pause, do the problem, play to check to see if you have it right. The area of a rectangle is equal to the length times the width. All of the single dashes are 2. All of the double dashes are 3. That's what those dash marks mean. Okay? It means that this, let's use this. This dash that is right here, and this dash that is right here, it means those side lengths are of the same length. And since all of these are part of the same diagram, all these single dashes are of length 2. And then all the double dashes are of length 3. All the double dashes are congruent. They have the same measure. All right. So let's take a look here, clean up all that. The area, to figure out the area of this rectangle, we're going to go 2 times 3, and that is 6. Okay, the one thing we have to be careful of is how many of those do we have. Well, this one would be another one, that's 2. There's another one, that's 3. There's another one, that's 4. So I could actually take this times 4 and get 24. So my rectangles, those 4 rectangles, would have a total surface area of 24. But I have the squares left. And remember, a square, that is going to be 2 by 2. And the area of a square is going to be 2 times 2, which is 4. And notice on a square, I have 2 squares. So, times 2 gives me 8. 24 plus 8 is 32. Hopefully you got it right. Let's take a look at another problem. Here's another problem made up of rectangles of different sizes. You have to be careful on this because there are actually 3 different measurements. All right, so this one here, this one is a 2 by 3 for measurement. Okay, that is a 1 dash and a 2 dash. So I'm going to look for my other 1 and 2 dashes. I have a 1 and a 2 dash here. So that is another. Okay, and as I look at the other rectangles, they aren't the same. So my area is going to equal 3 times 2, which is 6. And remember, I have 2 of them, so that's going to give me 12. Then I look at another problem, and we'll use green on green. This is a 2, and this is 4, so this is a 2 by 4, and this one is also 2 by 4. So a 2 by 4 is an area of 8, and I have 2 of those, so that gives me 16. And then I have I'm going to have to erase so we don't get confused. Then I have a 3 by 4, and that is this one and this one. So I have a 3 by 4, which is 12. There are 2 of those, so that's 24. And then I add all of those up, 10, 11, 12, carry the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I get 52. 52. Let's try another problem as my phone is ringing. Okay, let's go on to another problem. So here we have another one, and we have what looks to be a square and triangles. So remember, a triangle is 1/2 times the base times the height. And for the square, remember that is s squared, which is just s times s. So for our triangle, we're going to have 1/2 times 3 times 4, which is 6. And we have 4 of those. So that is, for the triangles, a total surface area of 24. My square is going to be 4 times 4, which is 16. And when I add 16 and 24, I get 40. So that would be 40. So total surface area of that one would be 40. Holy cow, look at that magic. Already done. Oh, that's right. We did that first problem. All right. Good luck.